Welcome to Generation Schools, where every lesson is a journey of discovery and every challenge is an opportunity of growth.
At Generation Schools, our core values aren't just words on a page, they're the guiding principles that shape every aspect of our students' experience.
In our halls, you'll find honour as our students uphold integrity and respect in everything they do.
With self-discipline as their compass, they navigate their academic pursuits
with purpose and determination.
When faced with obstacles, we as students embody resilience, pushing past setbacks and emerging stronger than before.
Empathy is the heartbeat of our community,
fostering connection and understanding among students, teachers, and staff alike.
Excellence is not just a goal, it's a standard we as students strive for in academics, arts, and athletics.
And behind every achievement lies courage, the bravery to step outside our comfort zones and embrace new opportunities.
At Generation Schools, we don't just learn, we lead. We don't just succeed, we thrive.
Because here, education is more than academics.
It's about shaping the leader, innovator, and changemakers of tomorrow.
Generation Schools, where honor, self-discipline, resilience, empathy,
excellence, and courage are more than just words. They're the foundation of a brighter future.